That's how my day's going. He's digging right up beside the daggone set.
MBA is sponsored in part by Loring Outdoors and viewers like you. Good morning, my people. Roland Smith here with Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance, of course, down here on the farm. I ain't had nothing moving down here, shoot, probably 10 days now. It's just like they disappeared. No bobs, no coyotes, no skunks, not even a possum. They could be possum day though. Any day could be a possum day. Nevertheless, let's check this line, see what we got going on. If anything, I mean, bait station hasn't been touched, snares hasn't been moved, nothing going on. So, don't know, just like it disappeared, buddy, I don't know. Just have to wait them out. But that right there, that warm weather, that don't help. That don't help the situation none at all. Nevertheless, stay with me. Let's get these lines checked. Nothing up here on the boneyard. Like everything disappeared. You know? Maybe there's something on the upper field. There ain't nothing here. Them snares are still good. Bait pile. Scattered, but it's been scattered for a while. Ain't nothing touching the button. Maybe some old buzzards, turkey vultures. Bait, a little bit of bait over there. Ain't nothing coming down there now. I was a cow that came through here. I'm just old straggler. I got a snare set up right there. Oh. Everything's in wax dirt. Everything looks good. Let's go down here at this upper field down here. See what's going on. There wasn't nothing in 2 sets coming in, so I don't know, it's just like they disappeared. Stay with me. I don't know if it's just changing the weather or what it is. I've got 3 snares out there and 2 traps. Trap there and a trap over to the other end of the field. There ain't been nothing through here. I mean, good sets, and I got a trap right there, right over there. Now, the last time it snowed, right beside my side, beside that hump of grass, they was digging at the hump of grass. But, and they went right out through there, beyond that bush right there, the center of your screen. And I put a snare there, but
Ain't been nothing. Let's go check it lower field. Head down to the river. Oh. Got me road. Bait pile hadn't been touched. But nothing. Vultures, buzzards, turkey vultures, whatever you call them things. Crows and turkey vultures, that's it. I gotta snare at that pine right there. They crossing through it with that pine branch right there. And nothing. That snare's been there ever since the season started, because they was using that trail, going right down and around. Nothing. Stay with me. We're not done yet. Nothing. Nothing. It's like they moved out. Down in the slower field. Side by sides up there. Duh. Big red machine. Can't see it, can you? I don't know. I've got a deer carcass out here. Piece of a deer carcass. Been touched. Ain't been touched. I got 2 sets around it. One right there at the gut. One right there at the hinds. So, I don't know. Got a set out there. Drag set. Cubby set. Cubby set and snare. 2 snares. And then B550. Nothing. Nothing. Something spooked off, or they moved off or something. No fresh sign of this mud. I don't know. Don't have a clue. Everything's freshened up. I freshened everything up yesterday. Making sure. I think it's like day 10, man. Oh, that's scared. I don't know. Just wait them out. We've got days of 7th. We've got about the last week in February. I pull sets. It's over with. I soak everything in baking soda. Hang them up, let them dry. Done deal. But let's head down to the river. See what's going on down there. May have us a beaver. May not. I don't know. I just can't get over that bait station up there not being touched. That's just strange, man. Supposed to be kind of warm today. It's supposed to get snow, so maybe things will look up. I'll catch you down the river here in a minute. Stay with me. I don't know if I pissed him off or what. That wasn't even here yesterday. We got a little dig right there, big dig right there, and there's a whole lot digging right there. Look at the prints. A beaver. There's an ideal place to have a set. I got my set right there, but you can see where they piled. He's piled mud up beside mine. I've got him blocked out. He can't get in there. More blows on the way. A whole other freaking blow. I'll put it right there, and I'll put another mound right there. Right right there where you'd have to come up. But this bottom is like concrete. But look, these are fresh. Fresh. That one was yesterday. That was last night or today. That's fresh, still wet. My trap's right there. Got him blocked up there in my mound right behind him. Right behind the set, so. I don't know. Just a waiting game it is. But you can see where he's piled up. That's him right there, see? Look how close he is to that set. And I've got beaver caster back here on the, just right on the bank. Just right there on the bank with a stick sticking up back there. But he ain't been up through there. I was hoping he'd go up there and come back through, or maybe go through this way, but nothing so far. But he's working over here. What a footprint on that Jasper, son. So, let's head out here. He may go in. I don't know. Looks like he would have went in the first time he's been up that beaver caster. I got some castor gland I'll bring up here. See how that works out. But I got me a small mound built back there. But he's been digging right beside it. I was hoping he'd kind of scoot down just a little bit. Get pissed off at that caster mound, but he ain't. Nothing in the snare. Other set. It is what it is. Wait him out. We've got some time. I don't know where exactly he's denning at. Can't see nothing fresh. I can see some fresh cuttings up on the hill, but I don't know. I've got this river tore up so bad. There's so much debris and junk in this river, you can't tell nothing about it. Or I can't. Let's see, he's on down. He's out of here. I'm going to come up through his fence the next time. Come over here and just look. I can glass it from a distance. See what's going on. There's fresh cuttings down here. See fresh cuttings right there. He's up there. He's up there digging. There's that one spot up there yesterday. So, I don't know where he's at. He's sure somewhere. He's a whopper too. Or seems to be. According to his shoe size. Some fresh cuttings over. Let's head out of here. Let's quit stanking up the place. I don't know where he's doing that for sure. No, this is right there. That looks like that looks fresh to me. Right there looks fresh. You know, that brush pile. I got a snare set up on that slide. I get me a blow, I'll take that snare down. Blow should be here just any day. Soak them in vinegar for a couple of days and get a little patina on them and put them in dip. Maybe paint them, I don't know. There's a snare right there. And he ain't come nowhere near it. He come down that slide, he's had to lick. He's chewing on that tree up there. That's pretty fresh. That's how my day's going. He's digging right up beside the daggone set. Maybe he'll get curious, I don't know. Maybe change lures. Maybe there's a whole lot of stuff. You know what I mean?
Let's head out of here. Roland Smith Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance. This is my morning right here. Trying to catch the bees. As always, go farther, stay longer. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you out here somewhere.